And welcome back to this channel. And today we're looking at the NightCafe Pro. We're looking at the pricing, the plans, and the features under it for NightCafe. So if you want to go pro for a monthly credit pack, access to more powerful models and a range of other perks, then try this. You get the first month bonus. For limited time, new subscribers get an extra 50% bonus credit in the first month. You can pay monthly, quarterly, or annually. Let's start with monthly. Now for AI Hubblist plan, you get 200 credit per month, 300 credits in your first month with a limited time offer, and you pay $9.99 US dollars per month. You can upgrade now and cancel anytime, and that is at a cost of $0.05 per credit. These are all the things features under it. You get 800 flux images per month, access to all AI models, and all. There's no ads for sure, and the credits roll over and never expire. These are the things you get under it. Then when you go for the AI enthusiast plan, which is unlimited fast models, you get 500 credits per month, 750 credits in your first month, limited time offer, don't forget, and you pay $19.99 US dollars per month. You can cancel anytime, upgrade right now, and that's at the cost of $0.04 per credit. You get unlimited fast models like Flux, Schnell, SDXL, Lightning, etc. Then you get 1,100 flux images per month and access to all AI models and the rest of them. So the features you get under it. Then lastly, we have the unlimited fast models, which is also called AI artist. You get 1,400 credits per month, 2,100 credits in your first month due to the limited time offer, and you pay $49.99 US dollars per month. You can cancel anytime, and that's the cost of $0.036 per credit, which makes perfect sense. Then you get access to limited fast models, basically everything you get in the AI enthusiast plan, plus much more. So then if you're paying quarterly, you get to save 10%. So the AI Hubblist becomes $8.99 US dollars per month. The AI enthusiast becomes $17.99 US dollars per month, and the AI artist becomes $49.99 per month. So you see, you get to save 10% on each of them. Then if you try to pay annually, you get to save 25% because the AI Hubblist plan becomes $7.49 per month. The AI enthusiast plan becomes $14.99 per month, and AI artist plan becomes $37.49 US dollars per month. So what are you waiting for? Give them a try today. You can also buy it as a gift. Hope you found this video helpful.